We've used these creams for so long. Longreach now has brought us their salt cream. This cream milk, this sheep placenta salt cream milk, is very effective. When you use it, it doesn't make you don't sweat when you use it. You know some of these creams, when you use it, you sweat. Yeah, this one is fantastic. It doesn't give you that greasy look. It makes your skin very soft. And the interesting thing, it has anti-aging in it. And those of our women who like to always look young and fresh, this is your cream. So start using. Start using. You see why I say you should get paid? How can you cream yourself and not get paid? You get up in the morning, you bath, you sit down in front of the mirror, you waste 5 minutes for free. I'll waste 5 minutes and be paid. So every time you look at this business, see it as a business that will pay you for doing your daily things. Everything that you've been doing all the time, just do it and be paid. You are not going to think too much into the business. Don't look at how can I get 20 million people. You know that sometimes when you hear a figure like 80,000 PVs, hey, when will I get 80,000 PVs? That's the question you ask. But is that a good question to ask? No, really. How do I get 80,000? 80,000 PV. It does move. Is it not one step? And is it not how we started, before we started walking? We crawl. Sometimes they put you down, you roll first. The child will be rolling. Before it starts crawling, then it starts walking, then it starts running. So it is a business. Start from somewhere. Stop asking yourself unnecessary questions. 80,000, when will I get 80,000? How did you get the opportunity? Did somebody tell you? No. So you need to start from somewhere. So don't think big. You think within your means. What can you do? The beginning. Okay, Doc, you said the business. How do we register? First thing, how much do I use? 570, 570. Is there a bigger one? 950. I like the 950. Make a decision and then start. But sitting down and asking yourself questions. Oh, when did I use it? You are wasting time. Alright, so we have roll-ons that we've been using for years. Longreach has brought their roll-on. It says that this roll-on, quick drying, not sticky. And this roll-on, when you use it, from morning, in the morning when you use it, you will come back in the evening and do like this and still know that you are here. Oh no, I'm not joking. I'm not joking. When I started using it, I decided to use only that one. So I stopped all the perfumes and everything that I was using. I only use this. And trust me, it works. It works. So if you are somebody who is doubting, I told you by the time we finish this presentation, all your doubts will be gone. Because Longreach is giving you products that are solid, have been tested and tried. And if you start using this, you are actually buying into your own business. You are actually buying into, because you yourself, you use roll-on. So you use a roll-on first and then recommend it to other people to use. And this roll-on is one of the products in Longreach that gives a lot of PVs. And Longreach, what does Longreach know above everything? What? PVs. Longreach is all about PV. It doesn't care how much money you bring. If you bring 20,000 Ghana cedis and you buy only roll-on, so and the roll-on you bought gives you 20,000 PV, Longreach will give you 20,000 PVs. That's it. It doesn't care what money you use. So every individual in this business needs to understand that we should look for products that will give us PVs and push those products. Very simple policy. So the roll-on is designed in such a way that when you use it, body odor out. You can confidently put your hand above somebody and not even look at the person. You see the person stretching like this. I'm not joking. They will not even flinch. They wouldn't clear their throat. All you see them doing is that their eyes will be closed. So when we finish, you see, let me just maybe some of you haven't used a roll-on before, so you should smell how it is. Smell it and pass it around. Very gentle, very nice. When you put it on, it will eliminate all the body odor that you have. And it makes you to have confidence in yourself. Imagine if you are going to an office, an air-conditioned office, and you are smelling funky, and you are there to sell this product. You have spoiled your status. You have spoiled your status. How can you go and market a product that will make people smell nice. And you, and you it doesn't work. It doesn't work. So you yourself, you have to use the product. Make sure that you are actually presenting a positive image of your product. And then you see that you get market for it. And it's only 20 cedis. This product is only 20 cedis. How many people in Ghana use roll-on? And the roll-on fails them. They roll it on in the room, in front of the mirror. By the time they wear their dress, the roll-on has finished work. And then they go home. You know, sometimes you don't realize. You go to greet some guys. The women too not know it. Recently, I found out that the women. I'm not even going to finish the sentence because that's time we exposing profanity. It's okay. So the bitters, it is not very popular. Some of them, okay, me are saying, some of them are recommending it for their husbands to drink so that they can.
Oh no.
So
some of the ladies taking, they said it helps when they are menstruating.
See? So they are using the bitters, the men are using the bitters. But my question is, how much are you being paid? You are not being paid. So why are you using it? The man manufacturing the product, can't he give you something small? Longreach is giving you. So all these bitters, hey, these bitters too, they come with serious this thing. They come with serious campaign. So you can't avoid it. Everywhere you look, I don't go, you see them, they do some nice adverts too. Serious. But this is the real deal. This is the real deal. This is the one that when you drink, you know that you are not only getting your menstrual cycle sorted out, but you are actually making money. You know, there is a gentleman here who has a lot of respect for this product. I'm telling you, somebody has a personal testimony for this product. Because he challenged Longreach. He said he wanted to know how far this product can do his job. And the product showed him. So from there, anytime they open the product here, and the scent is here, he will stand far and do like this. Yes. Longreach product is real. This wine, if you are a man and you are not able to function as a man properly, this is not Adongo bitters. This one is natural health wine. It doesn't do you a boost and then leaves you. This one, it will help correct whatever problem is making you to have low libido. For those of you who don't know, our human body sometimes changes the way it functions because of sometimes the stress level or the eating pattern. When you have a product like this, it will help you to reinstate your system. But these are Adonkos and the rest. They are for action. Oh, like instant action, then finish. Tomorrow you have to drink again, then that kind of. No, we don't do business like that. We want something that will give you permanent solution. That is what this wine offers. So all of you, those of you here, when we close, I have sample here. Some of us have already started sampling it. So when you finish, please sample it yourself, but respect it, or else when they open it, you stand far. So we have used different soaps in the past. We've had Geisha, we've had the Dove, we have this soap. I respect this soap a lot. Irish Spring. The reason is because it smells nice. That's what I wanted to give you. That's what the work it does. I'm not too sure. But we know of this because we've used it for years. But as we said, if you don't remember anything, whatever you do daily, you must be paid for it. If you bath, you must be paid for bathing. It sounds like a bit, but that is a real thing. You must be paid for bathing. So if I'm using Irish Spring, and Irish Spring smells nice, yes, it smells nice. But how much am I making for bathing? Nothing. So Longreach is saying that with the Dove or the Irish Spring, we should please switch. We should please switch to this product. Please, there's a seat here. We should please switch to our soap, the charcoal bamboo soap. This soap is not an ordinary soap. The soap is prepared especially for your skin. What a lot of us don't know is that our skin, at a point in time, it falls off. A lot of us don't know, but it happens. When it happens like that, you need a soap that can actually remove these dead cells. If the dead cells are not removed, it prevents your skin from breathing. So it traps a lot of dirt. And this dirt makes you to retain sweat. And that is how some people, you see them bathing with all the soap in the world, and they still have this stench. We don't call it smell, we call it stench. It's very strong. This soap will prevent that from happening. It will remove all the dead cells because of the charcoal in it. They'll tell you to bring one charcoal, they put it in, and it pulls all the scent out. If the soup is going bad, they use the same principle. Now they have a soap like this. Why will you go wrong using this soap? Not possible. Because they are using a concept that we are familiar with. We do it here in Africa. What about our teeth? Who remember back in the days?
Me.
Yes. When was the last time anybody did it here? No lie, no lie, no lie. When was the last time anybody did it here?
The plantain.
So every one of us, we know the principle language is using. That is the reason why we have confidence that